In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule Google Meet for different time zones. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a meeting in Google Calendar so your invitees see the correct time wherever they are. First, open Google Calendar in your browser. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to use. On the calendar view, pick the date and time that works for you and click directly on that slot to start a new event. A quick event box appears, but to properly control time zones, open the full editor by selecting More Options. This gives you the complete event page and all the settings you'll need. Start by giving your meeting a clear, descriptive title so people instantly know what it's about. Next, look near the date and time fields for the time zone option and click it. This is where you tell Calendar the reference time zone for the event. Choose the time zone that makes the most sense for your participants. For example, if most attendees are in London, set it to the UK time zone. Don't worry, Google Calendar automatically converts that time for each person based on their own location, and it adjusts for daylight saving time when applicable. When you've selected the correct zone, click OK to confirm. Now add your attendees in the Guests field. Type their email addresses, and you'll see suggestions as you go. Adding guests here ensures they receive an invitation and that calendar shows them the local time on their side. As a tip, if you're coordinating across many regions, pick a time that avoids the very early morning or late night for any one group, and remember that some countries change clocks on different dates. When everything looks right, click Save. If you've added guests, Calendar will prompt you to send invitations. Click Send so everyone receives the invite by email along with the event details. Their invitation will display the correct local time automatically, so they don't have to convert anything. Finally, return to your calendar to review the event. You'll see it listed on the date you chose, and opening it will show the time zone settings you applied. If your organization enables video conferencing by default, the event will include a Google Meet link, and guests can join from the invite or the calendar entry. That's it. You've scheduled a Google Meet across time zones with confidence. If plans change, just reopen the event, adjust the time zone or time, save, and send updates so everyone stays aligned.